Have you guys back to this YouTube channel. For a long time I've been away, and today I'm coming back with what I promised you all, that I'll start making videos for you all on crypto, because a lot of you have sent me DMs on Instagram, on Twitter, and even called me and requested for videos on how to trade and make money in the crypto industry. And today I'm back with an amazing video on how to trade on Binance. It's going to be a complete video, and I want you to sit tight, grab a cup of coffee, and then get ready, because I'm going to show you everything from setting up your account to trading and how to use Signal to trade, everything to the end. So, literally, if you have zero knowledge about all of this stuff, welcome. If you have a little knowledge about this stuff, welcome as well. And if you're already doing it and you need more insight on how to do it better, welcome. This video is exactly for you, and I want you to make sure you click on the subscribe button under this video and turn on the notification button, because I'll be making more videos about cryptocurrency and how to trade and make money from it. If that is you, and it's your first time, subscribe, like the video, and be sure you share it after watching this video. Are you ready? Let's go. All right, so first thing first, we have to understand what Binance is and what it stands for, and why we are even trading on Binance. In case it's your first time in the crypto industry, I'm going to do a very quick explanation on this for you all. All right, so by 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 history or by fact, Binance is the biggest crypto trading platform, and of course, it's important to know. And the cryptocurrency industry is a very big industry. Before now, I made a video on cryptocurrency. You see the link under this video in the description section, where you understand the introductory section and the basics of cryptocurrency, and every beginner information you need to grasp everything I'll be saying today. So if you've not watched it before, you have zero knowledge about cryptocurrency, you might want to watch that video before you continue this exact one. So if you're on Binance, I recommend Binance because it's the biggest crypto trading platform in the world right now, and it has a lot of awesome features and it's easy to use. Time will fail me if I walk you through the whole process. So first thing first is for you to create your account. If you want to start making money from crypto trading and from trading crypto, you have to create an account. So you click on the register button, and then you land on the registration page like this. So you're expected to fill in your information, your email address, your password, and then you click on create account. It's a very simple process. After you've created your account, you'll be sent a verification code to your email address. That's if you use your email address. If you use your mobile phone, if you use a phone number, they'll send you a code to your phone number. So you can either register with your email address or with your phone number, whichever one. It works very fine and it's awesome. Okay, so you just walk through it. It's a very simple and easy process to do. But the most important thing is, after you have created your account, you then have to log in. Okay, you log in with your email address and your phone number and your password, or maybe your phone number and your password, whichever one you want to do. But most for the sake of this video, I'm going to show you the exact way I use to log into my own account. Instead of coming here to type my email and my password or phone number or password every time, I just do it in a very simple way, and it's a very fast way to do it. I click on this icon here, and Binance pops up a barcode, a barcode or a QR code for me to scan. So what I normally do is, as at this point, I will just have to pull up my Binance mobile application. Okay, so I'll be telling you more about that. So meanwhile, if you're watching this video and you don't have the Binance mobile application, there is a link under this video that will take you straight to Google Play Store to download it. If you're using if you're using an iPhone, you also have to check the Apple Store, to get the app installed. So once you have it installed and you have logged in as well with the account you created, at the top right corner of your screen on your mobile phone, you will see a barcode scanner icon. Click on it and then scan this barcode. Alright, so right now I'm just going to scan this barcode right here so that I'll be able to log into this account. I'll scan it. Once you scan it, you see authorize and cancel. You click on authorize. Once you click on authorize, your account will be logged in. You can see scan successful, logging in now. So you will be logged in successfully into your account. So this is an account, one of my accounts, and most important to note is that I have a lot of accounts. I think I have 3 personal accounts on Binance that I use for trading. So I'm going to walk you through how to trade on this platform. So are you ready? I know you are excited to watch this part of the video, and let's continue. Alright, so on your first login in process, you're expected to perform some basic tasks, which is very important. If you're from Nigeria, you have to do this with your what we call the verification process. So I'm going to show you. You have to click on this icon here. This account is already verified. You can see verify. Go to this profile icon here. Click on identification. And once you click on identification, it's going to load up a page for you where you have to do your identification. So like I said, this account is already verified. Okay. So normally what you see here is a verified button like this. I've not verified my address because I don't need it for anything for now. Only if I want to upgrade my withdrawal limit to probably above 100 BTC. Obviously now I don't have up to 100 BTC. So you click on the verify button here, which should be somewhere here. Here that you have this verify. If I click on it, I'll be expected to verify with my BVN, and after verifying with my BVN, I'll be required to do a facial verification where I'll have to scan my face and the verification process will be completed. Once it's completed, you see verified. This is the very first thing you have to pay attention to. Okay, make sure you have done this verification before you proceed with any other thing on the platform. Okay, now after this verification process, the next thing I want to show you is how to use the platform. But before I proceed, I would like to show you an important part of this application or this platform. You will see a download button here, and you see this option, more download options. Click on it. When you click on it, you're going to see the option to download for your iPhone and for your Android devices, right? You also see an option to download for Windows, that's the desktop application, or your PC application and your Mac application. You download it and install on your Mac device or your Windows device or Linux device, whatever operating system you are using. You download for each of those operating systems. And most importantly, I will encourage you to have the desktop application if you always work on your PC. A lot of benefits. It's very super fast, easy to use on the desktop application than using it directly on your browser. Okay. Another advantage is that the desktop on the desktop application, you have the opportunity to log in multiple accounts there, but on your Google browser you can't log in into multiple accounts from your Google browser or any other browser you're using. Okay, I'm yet to see that feature. Okay, I don't know if it exists on the browser, but I'm going to now switch over to the desktop application because I've already downloaded my own. I'm just going to walk you through how it looks like. Will you want me to show you? Yeah, I'm sure you want me to show you that. But before I do that, I'm just going to walk you through this platform just in case you prefer using the Chrome browser. It's literally the same thing. The only difference is in the setup feature, how it looks like. But it's the same button, the same instruction, and obviously the same process. So let's go to the trading platform, which is the most important part for us in this video. Of course, you have the market where you can see all of the markets, coins in the marketplace, their current value, the appreciation and depreciation value, and all of that. You can actually monitor all of these things here. BNB just dumped again few minutes ago, or about an hour ago. It was actually at 300, but now it's at 286. Well, we'll keep holding it. Of course, I'm holding BNB. So let's continue. If you go to the trade, you will see this advanced option from the desktop application. You won't see this option. Once you click on trade, it takes you straight to this to the trade view. So if you click on trade, always click on the advanced option. It has everything you need. I prefer it, even as a beginner, just click on the advanced option. So it brings out the trading view for you. And of course, the first coin we are seeing here is the BTC and USDT. BTC and USDT. Okay, so we can see it here, the BTC and USDT pair. BTC USDT pair. Okay, so this view is called the trading view. It has everything you need to trade on Binance. Everything you need to trade on Binance. So right now, I'm just going to explain what this view stands for and what to do about this view. So before you can even start trading on Binance right now, especially if you're from Nigeria, you of course want to deposit money into your Binance application. Of course, once you deposit money, you can then start trading any of those currencies of your dream. All right. So the first thing first is to deposit money, and I'm going to show you how to deposit money, especially if you're from Nigeria. Even if you are not from Nigeria, how to deposit money in your Binance app without going through bank deposit or bank transfer directly to your wallet, because the CBN, as at this point of recording this video, has banned that process. So you just come to your wallet and you click on P2P. Come to your wallet and click on P2P. When you click on P2P, you'll be redirected to the P2P page where you have to purchase your coin. Now, it is important to know that there are two coins that should be of interest to you while trading on the crypto platform. It is important to note that all crypto coins are volatile. Not just volatile, they are very, very volatile. So because it's very, very volatile, um, it is not advised to keep coins or your funds there if you're not going to monitor your trade for a long time. So because of this issue, there are two coins that should be of interest to you, and they are called stable coins. And what does stable coin mean? Stable coins are coins that retain its value irrespective of the move in the market. So they are the USDT, which is called Theta dollar or US Theta, and the BUSD, which is the Binance dollar. Okay, so these two coins are called stable coins because they retain their value. So $1 in USDT is still $1, and then BUSD is still BUSD. $1 of it is still same. So, but there are times you notice a slight change, maybe in cents, but it's usually stable. It's more stable than our fiat currencies. Okay, so they are called the stable coins. So you keep your money in these stable coins when you want to retain the value of your money, irrespective of the volatility of any coin in the marketplace. So when you want to deposit money into your P2P account, it's always advisable you use the USDT or the BUSD. And me, of course, I prefer to use the USDT. So when you click on P2P, what you need to do is to click on buy and click on the buy option. It is the same process even if you're on the Binance desktop application. So I'll come here, I'll click on USDT, right? And I'll change the fiat currency I want to purchase with to Naira for those who are in Nigeria. So I want to pay in Naira, I want to get USDT in Naira. That's what I need to do. And then I'll refresh. So what is going to happen now is that I'm going to get a list of vendors, people who are selling their own USDT, and I'll buy from them. That's exactly what is going to happen here now. So once you select that option, you have a list of people who are selling USDT and who are willing to collect your Naira. So, but what important thing is that you have to look at this part they wrote, limit. Okay, this limit part is where you have to pay attention. This limit means that the person can only sell minimum of 2,000 naira to maximum of 6,000 naira. So you know the quantity you want to buy and you know the limit. For example, this guy that is selling minimum of 30,000 naira, you cannot buy 10,000 naira worth of USDT, which is dollars, equivalent to dollars, from him. So you can scroll down. Some people are selling 500. You have another page two, and pick your most desired vendor. All right. Once you click your most desired vendor, what you have to do is click on the buy USDT. This guy has a limit of how much? I don't even know. Okay, limit of 10,000 naira. So let's say I put 15,000 naira, and this is the quantity of USDT I'll receive. And I click on buy. I'm not going to buy this. I just want to show you how it works. I click on buy. It's going to load up for me. Okay. So I will see the person's, of course, this is totally wrong. I shouldn't be showing you all this. I'll see the person's name, bank account, and details. So I'll pay to this bank account. Okay. Immediately I make payment, I'll click on transferred next, and the person will have to confirm. But if there's delay in confirmation, here is the person's phone number. Can just call the person and then confirm the payment with the person. Once the person clicks confirm from his or her end, then you'll be credited immediately with USDT. But it's important to know that when you are credited with USDT, you will not see the money in your personal wallet. You will definitely see the money in your P2P wallet. So if I click on wallet, I'm going to see P2P, right? Here is P2P. And you will just see the money in this P2P wallet. Here, it will show here. Of course, I don't have anyone in my P2P. What you now do is, now if it's USDT, you click on transfer after you have been credited. Select USDT. If it's USDT, click on maximum, and then you are transferring from P2P to your spot wallet. Click on confirm transfer. Once you have done this, once you have done this, the money is transferred to your fiat and spot wallet, which is where you can now use that money to do your trading. Okay. So this is the basic and the very important introductory steps of what you have to do for you to start trading on Binance. Okay. Feel free to ask questions while you're watching this video if any of these parts of this video is not clear to you. I will just continue with the trading parts now. All right. So let's proceed with our trading. So I'm just going to click on trade, and of course I'll click on advanced. Meanwhile, it's important to know that there are other kinds of trading on this platform. We have the futures, we have the margin, and other amazing stuff you can do on Binance. But for a beginner, and even me that is not a beginner per se, I don't trade futures. I think it's all choice because of the high risks in futures. I don't just want to trade it. Okay. So I will encourage you to stick. There's a lot of um people people's opinion in this industry. You definitely hear a lot of people saying different things and a lot of things at the same time. So I would like you to focus. What I'm going to show you is exactly what I've been doing for about 2 years now. And if you consistently follow it, you will also remain profitable. So master the process, have a good grid, generate enough profit before you start thinking of doing any other kind of trade, whether it's future or margin. If you want to do it in the future, it's all left for you to decide. But for now, I don't want you to do it. Okay, I want you to focus on this very important thing. So I go to trade and I click on advanced. Briefly, I'll be showing you the desktop application as well. And everything I'm showing you here is exactly what is applicable to the mobile application when you download it on your mobile phone. Okay, it's exactly the same. The only difference is just where it is placed. You will see from your mobile phone. If you're using the mobile application, maybe I would consider doing a special video for the mobile phone. Okay. But if you go to your mobile application, you definitely see the trade tab there under, like a footer. You see the trade, you see the wallet, you see the market. You see it all there for you. So what you just need to do is to click on the trade, and once you click on the trade, you have this trade view option. Don't worry, I'll consider doing a video on the mobile application, but just get this part straight. If you come to your trade view like this, you're going to see this part, which is where you select the trading pair. So let's say, for example, I give you a signal. For those who are not in our signal group, it's actually free of charge for now. can just be part of it. And if you want to pay a token, it's free. It's what is this called? I've forgotten the name they call it, but you pay whatever you want to pay. If you don't want to pay anything to be there, you're free to be there. If you want to pay something, fine, of course. So that's where I give signal. And of course, if you're not following me on Twitter, make sure you're following me on Twitter. And then you also get all of those amazing signals and things to watch out for while trading. So a description of all of this stuff will be below this video in the description section, or maybe in the first comment. So when you come here, this is the trading pair. For everything you do on Binance, for every trade you are trading, you definitely will be trading a particular coin against the other. Okay, that's what happens in trading. You are buying and selling a coin against the other. So there, like I told you already, there are thousands of coins out there and on this platform too. So if you are given a signal, which I'll be teaching you later on in a subsequent video on how to spot coins that will do well, on how to do your technical analysis, on how to do your fundamental analysis. I'll be showing you all of those stuff in subsequent videos. So that's why you really, really have to subscribe to this video, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I release that video. So if you come here, you select the pair you want to trade with. Let's say you want to trade one of my coins that I'm hoping to do very well very, very soon. The reef. And I select the reef. Of course, I'm going to use a 4-hour chart to see appropriately. Maybe if I want to go into detail, I can use the 50 minutes trade chart, and it shows me how it looks like. So I'm just going to give you an overview. Each of these candlesticks represents 15 minutes if I'm on the 15 minutes trade chart. And on the 4-hour trade chart, each of these candlesticks represent a trade session, 15 minutes trade session or 4-hour trade session, depending on the view I am on. So for this green candle, it means that the trade started in this 15 minutes trade chart, the trade started under here and finished on top. For this other one, means that the trade started on top and ended down, started on top and ended down. So red means it started on top and ended down. Green means it started at under and ended at the top. So I'll just stop there for this candlestick analysis. I'll be doing a detailed explanation in subsequent videos. Okay. So let's say it's this reef and USDT I called for you to buy. And let's suppose you have USDT. Obviously, right now I don't have USDT in this account. Maybe the next video I'll fund some USDT in the account I'll be using for demonstration. Okay. So what I'll now do is to buy my order. So I'll come to the buy section and the sell section. There are two important things you need to know here: the buying and the selling. The fastest way to explain it to you that explain it to you if you're a newbie, for you to understand, is that whenever you're buying, you're actually buying the pair at the left hand side. So buy and sell. Buy is on the left, sell is on the right. So if you're buying the one at the left hand side. If you are selling, you are buying the one at the right hand side. Okay, you can rewind this video and listen to it again. If you're buying the one at the left hand side. If you are selling, you are buying the one at the right hand side. That is just how it is. Okay, so why trading? So let's say I want to buy reef. Okay, right now the value of reef is 366 something 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 something, and I'm just going to refresh this page again. Page is refreshed. So, and I'm just going to zoom in a little bit. In this particular column, you're going to see this that is moving. Now, this is the exact value of this coin while we are speaking. Because of because it's volatile, that's why it can't be on a stable value. It keep changing, and you might ask, why is it changing? What is happening here when I want to buy and sell? All of those background checks, I'll be covering it in subsequent video, right? So, but for now, I want to just focus on this basic stuff. So these numbers are seen this way are just displaying the exact value of this particular coin as at the time of this trade. So it means that this coin is at 0.03 cents. Okay, that's the value. 3, 6, 4, 8, blah blah. You get, that's the value of reef against USDT right now. So let's say I want to buy. We have the limit order, we have the market order, we have the stop limit order. I go again, we have the limit order, we have the market order, and we have the stop limit order. I'll be making a special video for these three orders to give you in-depth explanation. And we have the fourth one, which is hidden, the OCO. If you click on this, toggle on this drop down, you see the OCO here, which means one cancel order. I will explain that as well for you in the next video. So in the limit order, which is the basic way, is where you want to buy within the range of the current price. Okay, if you want to buy within the range of the current price is 3644469, and here is 36436. So I can buy 363 something. Okay, 334 whatever. So buy within the range to ensure your trade triggers. But if you are buying a little bit outside the range, you have to use the stop limit to do that. And I'll be explaining that stop limit for you in the subsequent video. Then the market order is if you want to buy into the market value. So if I click on buy now, it's going to buy for me at the exact market value. At the exact market value. So no matter what is happening, once I click on buy, once I release this buy button, whatever it is here is the amount it will buy from me. So that means that it will buy, let's say it will buy, I don't have any USDT right now. I have just about 2 cents. Let's say I want to buy 500 USDT, which doesn't exist in this account. That's why it's red. And I click on buy. It's going to buy 500 USDT of REEF at the value of 0.03 cents. Do you get? That's exactly what's happening. So I don't want you to get so confused or so bugged with this first video. I want you to digest all of this stuff. Ask questions in the comment section so that by the time I'm making the next video, I will infuse all of these things in the next video. This is the first part of my crypto series video on how to trade on Binance. Let me get you to subscribe to this video, to this channel rather. Like this video, give us a thumbs up, and tell me what you learned from this video in the comment section. Tell me what more you want me to cover in the subsequent section. Like I said, this is not all of the video. I'm going to make it in chunks. I don't want to make it so long and boring, and then I'll make the next video. So it depends on the time you're watching this video. By the time you're watching this video, it's likely that I've done the next video. So check the description section to see the continuation of this video. It's going to be a complete series on trading, crypto trading. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.